Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the locked PDF and confirming you have permission to unlock it. Once located, try opening it in your PDF reader to verify the password prompt appears. If you have the user password, enter it. If not, pick a removal method, built-in export, a reputable online service, or offline software. You must weigh privacy versus convenience when selecting a tool, so make your choice now and proceed to the chosen method without delay. You now perform the actual removal. If you know the user password, open the file, enter it, then choose Print to PDF or Save as to produce an unrestricted copy. If dealing with an owner password, run trusted offline software, select Remove Security, and supply credentials. When using an online tool, upload only to a reputable site and monitor progress. Make sure to delete uploaded files after completion. Always verify the new file. Finish by opening the resulting PDF and confirming you can access all pages and features. If it opens cleanly, you're done. If it still requests a password, double-check the credentials you used, try a different removal tool, or export again using an alternative reader. Make sure to keep an encrypted backup of the original until you verify success, in case you need to repeat steps. Troubleshooting tip. If stripping fails, use an offline, reputable utility to avoid upload privacy issues and improve reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.